So have you ever been just like cruising down the road and then all of a sudden someone in the car points out, hey look at those kids doing backflips off that roof. And then all of a sudden the car starts heading towards that house. That's because the car goes where the eyes go. So as you're learning to scan your mirrors, you need to learn how to detach your hands from your eyes. And what I mean by that is when you're checking your left driver's side mirror, you're not taking your hands with you as you glance down at that mirror. The hands stay straight and just the eyes are moving. Same with the passenger side mirror. As you glance over to your passenger side mirror, the hands are staying straight and you're not taking the car with you. Because obviously, if we start taking the car with us everywhere we're looking, the car's going to start going all over the road. So we need to learn to detach our hands from our eyes and just be using the eyes, not the hands, when we're checking those mirrors.